2008 Dodge Charger with a special paint. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. It's sparkly. Anyways, got nice wheels on it too. It's the 2.7. What we got done on it, factory converter there. Then it wires into a single there because it's a V6. Then we put a Flow FX by FLOWMASTer, part number 71415, right there. 71415, as you guys can see. Then we did a rear muffler delete there, or resonator, whatever you want to call it. Everybody calls it different. And put a nice 3.5-inch roll tip out the back, right there by 12. There'll be a link in the description for both. There's the muffler that was on it, right there. And there's the resonator that was on it, right there. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. We really appreciate it. Clean. Yeah. That's what I want to say. Hey, that sounds good. Your sound decibels? Again? 107. Again? Those damn rep limiters won't let us rep higher. Go ahead and back it up. It's so deep, man. Flow FX is the way to go with these. They sound nice on this. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger, 2.7 liter, custom paint job, custom wheels, and now it's got a custom exhaust, Flow FX. So it's complete. He's gonna go give it a bath now.